Assalamualaikum viewer. Today our topic is problems in higher education. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. Come back to topic and start video. Higher education in Pakistan is faced with multifarious problem of crucial nature in spite of the fact that education is the only system which ensure continuously availability of higher level expertise and trained manpower. Unfortunately, in almost all the national development plan, it is considered to be competitive with mass literacy and primary education. The exact role which higher education out to play in national development has yet to be defined with precision. The obvious mismatch between the output of the system with job opportunities resulting in unemployment of the highly educated manpower has further aggravated the situation. The system is still stigmatized to nourish its international traditional role of elitism, denying opportunity of equal access to advancement, disadvantagement group of the society. The process of the politicization of campus by political parties and student activism has also immensely demanded the conventional image of the universities as bodies of the peaceful intellectual pursuit. Moreover, because of problem of internal functioning and the bureaucratization of their organizational pattern, the institution of higher learning have tended to withdraw from their dynamic role of professional leadership in various walks of life. This has created a dichotomy between higher education and the rising demands of developing society like Pakistan. In one of the issue of higher education review published by University Grants Commission, the authors have examined some of the current problem of higher education in Pakistan. The authors have also suggested various remedies provide interesting reading and many prove to be useful in the policy formulation and planning exercise of the higher education. Dr. Tariq Rahman in his article entitled Pakistan's Universities Actual Ideas Possible traces the history of university education in Pakistan, enumerates the maladies of the existing system and presents a model of the ideal university. In this model, there is no room for government performance or any other kind of political interference. In Dr. Tariq opinion, the chancellor and the vice chancellor and ideal university. That's it for today. Come back in next video.